Sweden urgently needs healthcare workers. But many overseas professionals ask, can I apply if I only speak English? Today, I'll show you the truth, the pathway, and the smart strategy. Welcome to Purpose Path TV Global. Section 1. Can you work in Sweden with English? Yes, but with conditions. Many Swedes speak excellent English. Some hospitals use English internally, but patient care requires Swedish. English helps you enter. Swedish helps you stay and grow. Section 2. Who has the best chances? Sweden actively recruits a registered nurses, a specialist nurses, a nurse assistants, a doctors, physiotherapists, a midwives. Experience plus willingness to learn Swedish equals advantage. Section 3. The licensing reality, critical step. Before working, you need Socialstyrelsen recognition. Official website: https://legitimation.socialstyrelsen.se. You submit 1. Degree, 2. License, 3. Transcripts, 4. Passport, 5. Experience proof. Without recognition, no clinical practice. Section 4. Step-by-step job strategy. 1. Prepare Swedish-style CV. 2. Apply for Socialstyrelsen. 3. Apply via regional portals. 4. Contact recruiters. 5. Begin Swedish language training. 6. Attend interviews. 7. Receive offer. 8. Employer supports work permit. Section 5. Where to find jobs. 1. Regional healthcare job boards. 2. Government job portal. 3. Verified recruitment agencies. Avoid random visa agents. Section 6. Salary and benefit snapshot. Approximate ranges vary by region. Nurses, SEK 28, 000, 40, 000/month. Specialist roles. Higher. Excellent work-life balance. Strong worker protection laws. Section 7. Common mistakes. 1. Waiting for English-only jobs. 2. Ignoring Swedish language. 3. Paying fake agents. 4. Skipping Socialstyrelsen process. Section 8. Smart preparation tips. Start Swedish early. Prepare documents. Apply directly. Stay patient. Processing takes time. Swedish regional healthcare job portals. Sweden hires nurses mainly via regional authorities. Sweden Region Stockholm. Largest healthcare employer. https://www.regionstockholm.se/job. Sweden Region Västra Götaland. Gothenburg area. https://www.vgregion.se/jobba-i-vgr. Sweden Region Skane. Malmö/Lund region. https://www.skane.se/job. Sweden Region Uppsala. https://www.regionuppsala.se/job. Sweden Region Östergötland. https://www.regionöstergötland.se/job. Sweden Official Government Job Portal. https://arbetsförmedlingen.se. Search keywords for viewers. Sjuksköterska, nurse, nurse English, healthcare English. Photo. Sweden is not just offering jobs. It offers stability, dignity, balance, and long-term security. But success requires preparation. Like, share, subscribe. Purpose Path TV Global. Guiding purpose. Empowering lives.